Hey guys, it's Sean from Sean's DIY and Reviews, and today I have another speaker for you. This is the Sylvania Extreme Bluetooth speaker. Decided to get this because it has a gray and pink, and my wife's a big fan of pink, so thought it would be a nice thing to review, and definitely got it for a decent price. I'll link that in the description below, what all the specs about it and where you can get one. I have a couple other Bluetooth speaker reviews, so go ahead and check those out in the, at the end I'll put a playlist so you can take a look at that if you're interested. On this channel we do DIY, around the house type of projects, as well as reviews of electronics like speakers, cameras, all that kind of thing. So if that's something that's interesting to you, definitely click that subscribe button. If you learned something in this video, give it a thumbs up, we'd greatly appreciate it. So with that, let's get into the review. Okay, so here's the speaker packaging. It says Extreme Bluetooth speaker. It has kind of like a rubber outside here, and tells you a little bit about that. IPX6 certified, water and drop resistant. So obviously not waterproof, but resistant. Definitely has a rugged part to it. Has 4 speakers, 2 drivers, 2 bass radiators. So we'll look at that a little closer. And then there you go. There's some of the things that it's going to tell you about it. Built-in wireless connectivity, so on and so on. So if you're interested in reading this, just go ahead and pause the video real quick, but we'll move on from here. Inside the box is the speaker itself, and it has a little holder here which you can put maybe a cord of some sort, carry it around, and the regular speakers right here in the front. Looks like actually there's some speakers there in the back, so that's probably just the radiant part right there. Controls on this has a plus and minus for volume. It has a power button, and it has your play and phone thing, so you can actually, it has a speaker then somewhere, more likely than not there, that you'll be able to play music from. It also has this aux cable that came with it, and the aux port is located right back here next to your USB charging port, and comes with a USB cable as well, USB to micro USB. Gives you a little more information right there. 5-volt, 500 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and fire this guy up and take a look at how it works. And I have another phone aside here that I can actually pair it with. You can see right there, Sylvania speaker. So I'll pair that. So here's what it sounds like, and I just went on YouTube, pause this for a second. I went on YouTube and grabbed this music, and there's a lot of royalty-free music, so if that's helpful to you, go ahead and do that too if you're doing tests like this. I'll just have to put this video here on in the description as well, all this information, and I'll do that. So let's take a listen to it again. Once I turn the volume up, the sound is actually really nice. I have no complaints at all. I would say this is probably equivalent to like your $50, $55 speaker. So sound quality is actually pretty nice. So can I recommend the speaker? I would say definitely. So my final verdict is that I think both of these speakers are really good, and once I was able to crank up the sound on the Sylvania, I definitely like it. It's definitely nice, has a good sound. I think if you crank it all the way up, there's a little bit of crackling, a slight bit of distortion, but overall still give a pretty nice sound. So let me know what you think. Would you consider buying this? Do you have a speaker? What do you recommend for something budget-wise? So Thanks again. Definitely consider subscribing and click a thumbs up if you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.